Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you want to uninstall this update, that is KB5043145, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So after installing this update, many users are facing a lot of problems like blue screen, stuck on startup, or freezing issue. So if you want to uninstall this update, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So you can go to settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to update history. Scroll down. At the end here you can see uninstall updates. Click on uninstall update. Now you will find this update for Microsoft Windows KB5043145. Click on uninstall. Click on uninstall once again and let the uninstall complete. Now once the uninstall is complete, you will see restart required. So you have to restart your computer after this. Now after the system restart, again open Windows settings, then go to Windows Update, and here you can see pause update option. So for now you can just pause the update and just wait for the next update. So in next update maybe these issues are resolved. So till then you can pause the update. Maybe you can pause it for 1 week, or you can just pause it for extend it for, like here you can see 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And whenever you want to resume the update, you can always click on resume update. In future you can install the updates. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.